Hi everyone, welcome to week 5. I am excited about the content for you guys this week as you start to look more closely at creative environments. You do have an assignment you should have already started working on, which is the Creative Environments Observation Assignment. If you haven't already, this week you certainly need to contact a childcare facility or preschool program in order to go in and observe their classroom so you can evaluate how well it promotes creativity in their children. You do not have to observe children in the environment. You need to be able to look at the materials and think about what you're reading in your textbook and the different materials that are posted here on Blackboard and how well this environment promotes creativity and includes the elements that you've been learning about. So that's a really fun activity to do. I'm excited for you guys to be able to get in the classroom and do that. Another thing that you're getting started on this week is you're choosing your study topic that you will use throughout the rest of the semester. You will be writing activity plans every other week, something like that. If you look at your course schedule, you'll see the activity plan assignments, and they usually happen about every other week. And the topic that you choose for those the topic that you choose this week is what you're going to be using as your theme or study topic throughout the rest of the semester whenever you're planning those activities. Be sure to read the resources that are here in Blackboard today. Watch the video about developing creative learning environments. There is a discussion board for you to participate in about creative environments, and I want to really closely draw your attention to a few of these questions. Here, there are questions for you to think about when you think about the environment and how you would plan for a specific area in an early childhood classroom. But what I really want to draw your attention to is it's really easy to think about or Google commercial products that are available to add to a classroom. They're bright in color, they're aesthetically pleasing, they're very attractive, and they're easy to get your hands on. They're not really cheap. They're not cheap, so they can get kind of expensive. But I want you to think about outside of the box, not what you can buy for a classroom, but things that you can gather, authentic materials that you might use. When we talk about authentic materials, we're thinking about things that you have around your house that you're not using. I save my coffee containers and donate to our preschool classroom here at Johnston Community College. So I save those containers. They can use them to store things. They can use them for projects for the kids. So think about some materials that would inspire creativity, that are authentic. You want to think about some things that would be related to your topic of study. And you also want to think about multicultural materials. Again, there are a lot of products that you can buy out there that would be representative of different cultures, but those products from early childhood sites like Kaplan or the Learning Center are going to be usually fairly stereotypical, and you want to have more authentic materials in your classroom. So when you're answering this week's discussion board, think about authenticity, think about natural materials that you can use, things that you can gather, not just things that you can buy. Yes, there will be materials that you want to add that you can buy, that you need to purchase, but also think about those other things that would be a part of a creative environment. Here's that creative environment assignment that I talked about a little bit earlier. It is due on September the 16th, so make sure you have your plans in place to get that observation done. And that's what you're working on this week. I hope you guys have a great week. I will be out of the office on Friday and out of town over the weekend. So be sure to look at everything early in this week and ask questions if you have them. I will not have much access to my computer to check things out for you over the weekend, but I will be responding to your messages on Monday. So you guys have a great week, and I'll see you soon.